Hello people, hope you're doing well. So today's video is about solving an audio issue in Premiere Pro. This video is very specific to a problem which sometimes occurs in Adobe Premiere Pro. I was facing this problem about an hour ago, so I decided to make a video on it. So the problem was that suddenly I wasn't able to hear my audio track in Premiere Pro. Everything was fine. I was able to see my audio track in the sequence. It wasn't on mute, but still I was not able to hear it. So if you're facing the same problem, please continue to watch this video. Okay, so let's start. Here is my Premiere project. Everything looks perfectly fine. This green track in the sequence is the audio track. You can see it's not being muted or any other problem, but still I'm not able to hear it. I am playing it in the sequence and you can see there is no audio in the audio graph. Here is a quick solution to that. You need to click these dots in the sequence and then click on Reveal Sequence in Project. So here you can see in the project window, this sequence has been already created by us. This is the icon of the sequence. We are going to copy it and then we are going to paste it. After pasting, we are going to rename it just to differentiate between the two. After that, double click on the new sequence you just created and open it by double clicking on it. Now see, this sequence is exactly same. And now when you play it, you can hear the audio as well as see the audio graph. Okay, now you can delete the old one if you want to, which I'm going to do right now. And that's it. So that was very quick solution. If you're facing the same problem, I'm sure you can get over it by following these very simple steps. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Peace.